Hey peeps, it's Andercon playing Kerbal Space Program again. Apparently I had an out of memory error and everything crashed except the game, so whoops.
Nice.
Well, it happens. Let me go open up the browser so I can actually see somebody talk to me if I need be. Give it a minute. It'll do it. Restore. There we go. Inbox. Yeah, all the mods I have, it's a little memory intensive on a frequent occasion. Very frequent. Yeah. Okay. Hit up the dashboard. We should be ready and good to go. Let's close this out. Okay. Kinda says I'm offline, but I shouldn't be offline.
I'll reload the page.
Yeah, check for me, would you? I need to see if it's online. It should be working.
Yeah.
Oh, it's working? Good.
I think so.
Rob's beating his computer to death. Yeah, I had to do that too on occasion. I got 4.9 gigabytes out of 6 open now, probably because the browser restarted. Okay, the last thing I was doing, I was getting this whole thing ready for launch, and I don't remember specifically what I was going to do next. Probably a buttload of parachutes on these things, because I'll get money back if I parachute them to death. Look at radial shoots and stuff. Okay. Let's just spam them all over the side of this, I think. Where's the center? Is this whole thing off-centered? Yes. Oopsie. Okay. Let's see if I can get this thing centered. Okay, that looks centered. Much better. Parachutes out the buttocks. Should help out. Since these are going to be empty anyway, they hopefully won't have that hard of a time landing. Yeah. Let's try that. And Asparagus stage it. Stage parachutes, stage launch clamps, and bottom stage Asparagus. Alright, let's see if this thing will work.
I like asparagus.
Yeah, auto asparagus. Of course, I don't really need to do that necessarily too badly for just this little bit of a ship here, but oh well.
Adding empty stages.
The coupler staging done. Refresher.
Refreshing.
Okay, it says it's done. I don't believe it. It might be done. Okay. Actually, just grab this and move it to the bottom. And I'll double check it. It didn't get everything right, obviously, but... Okay, what's the first thing to pop? These sides? Okay, well with it I need to take a pile of chutes. This set of chutes here. That set of chutes there. That set of chutes there. Oh. Are they split up? Yes, they are. Okay, good. I think. 4. Oh no, they're not split up right at all. Oh, crap. Alright, well, let me fix this manually then. I have to pull them all off. Get out of here, you. Fighting with this pain in the buttocks. Okay. I'll have to put these on at 2 symmetry mode. And just try this again. Okay. First set, it's really all ought to be going in here. What? 2, not... Ah. Never mind. Just forget the parachutes. It ain't working right. Forget it. We ain't doing that. Okay. I'll just eat the money. It's delicious anyway. Structural.
You put parachutes on your
I was, but whatever. Long overdue redesign to the all-important strut connectors. Strut connectors highly regarded by many spacecraft. What's the difference? They look the same. More stable spacecraft. Both sides are connected. A structural beam is created to link both ends, allowing for sturdier and heavier construction. Oh. Q.
I did not want that to be.
Okay. Let's see about shoving this thing in here somewhere. Alright, I'll put one here. And the other one. Like that. That worked. Let's do another on the bottom. Also worked. And I'll put some of these regular ones up on this somewhere. Yeah, that didn't even attach right at all. Maybe if I attach from here. Nope, didn't appear to be working. That thing's junk. Let's go with this one. Yeah, that worked. It's a little off-center, but oh well, we'll live with it. Okay, I think this is ready for the first test launch, and hopefully it won't completely shit its bricks all over me. I don't think there's anything else I really need on it too much, except maybe extra docking ports, which I'll put right here. That may just work. I wonder if I have any of the small docking ports. It would be nice if I did, but I don't think I do yet. I don't see any. And something else important. Let's put on a whole bunch of lights to make it pretty. Not too many lights, but some lights. Let's see, what do we got? Got these gigantic spotlight arrays. No. This'll work though. I can put this on. And we'll angle them up so they can actually see things.
Shows the cameras on.
To be honest, there is a potential good strategy for these. Let me go get a little bit of a support to stick that on, so it sticks out a ways. Some of these are a bit heavy, so I don't want anything too big. That's pretty heavy. This thing's really light. Okay, this is what I'm after. Put that there. There we go. That should be plenty big enough. And I'm going to stick my lights on that. Where are my lights? Utility? Yeah. Oh, hey, look. Shielded docking port you can slap on the side. Oh, those are fancy. I like that. Let's see. That's 0.2. What's the other docking port look way? 0.05. Sucks. They're so heavy. Why are you so heavy? It's so fat. Well, we'll skip. Alright, back to this. Why are you sideways? And let's do that. Okay. Now we can actually see what we'd be doing. Alright guys, what color lights you want me to put on? We can make this whatever color. Green? I don't know. I mean, I could, but...
For the Kerbals, they're green, so...
Yeah. We could try green light. Yeah, anybody else got any ideas for color? We could change it to anything. This is your time, chat. Your chance to
This is your
interact.
time to shine.
Yeah, you could change it to any color you want. We could do purple. We could do any shade of green or yellow. We could make it red. Neon pink. Pass on that one. We could make blue or ice blue. Crickets. Nobody has any input at all. Nobody cared but you. You said green. So green, I guess it's gonna be. Alright, now which green? So bright green. A little bit of blue in it. Yeah, we could do this color. That's interesting. What do you think? Look alright? Yeah, works. Okay. Alright, I'll get another one.
Going into outer space finally.
Yeah. Took a while.
Because you have to squeeze every little sign. So.
Yeah, I usually do that when I'm in the bathroom. Bad, I know. Okay, I think this thing's ready. This is the... What is this thing? OKS, center modules. Let's save that. I would like to whip out an action group on the first thing. Select panels. And toggle panels. Alright. And how many... Okay, as it is, it cannot hold anybody in it. Not until I've expanded this part, apparently. I wonder if you had some in it, if they just pop out of the side of the ship. If you if you collapse this, it'd be weird. All right, save. And last minute. Anything else you can think of? Anything else at all? We got solar panels, battery, life support out the ass. See, this has got all the stuff in it needs for the moment. It's a lot lighter if I don't put things in it. And you, okay, you're good. We got a whole bunch of reaction wheels. This thing's got reaction wheels on it. Okay, we got monopropellant, and we got all of our communication equipment. I think we're good. So I'm gonna launch, and we're gonna see how good it crashes and burns. Let me double check the staging. Okay, all of them at once, then these two pop off, and then these two pop off. It looks correct. I don't know if it'll actually make it, but we'll see. I only needed to actual monoprop jets. I usually only put the monoprop on the things I'm connecting to the center stage rather than the center stage itself. So I mostly have all those the monoprop tanks on there for refueling other things. So no, I didn't put any monoprop jets on this. I don't really need it either. I almost never stick monoprop jets on a station, except unless it's got a bunch of pieces I gotta move around. Something tried to keel over. All my monitors went black again for a moment, but we're good. We're good. Alright, so hitting T, check on fuel. Okay, here's our fuel for the current stages and stuff. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Oh, did I ever tell anyone? My family actually is a little bit of a client for SpaceX. We had our relative's ashes launched into space a couple years ago. And you can get that done for just a couple $1,000, I think. So, hey, if you want your ashes to go to the stars, or at least into orbit or something, you can get that done. They got different packages.
Only a few thousand.
Yeah. Well, it's more if you actually want it to go on a deep space probe, but if you just want it in orbit for like a year or two, it's cheap. If you want it permanently in orbit, it's a little bit more expensive. If you want it to go further out but stay in the solar system, it's pretty expensive. But if you want, like, if you ever want it to leave the solar system, it's outrageously priced, and they're waiting for like a mission or something to actually do that before they really.
They don't want to spend that many millions of dollars just for your company.
Yeah, they're just going to tack it on to some other mission like Voyager, but there's not too many of those that get sent out very often. So, it might be a while. You might have to wait on that one. Might have a 20-year wait. But oh well, might be more.
How do I tell? What's the button to tell if?
You're gonna have to speak up.
What's the button to tell how if anything fell off?
I think it's one of the F1, 2, 3, or 4 buttons, but I don't remember. I got mine key mapped to a special button on my keyboard. It's a G4 key.
Oh. SCAN Life Support.
Oh, so you lost something. Congratulations.
Yeah, I don't have life support.
Aha.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay. Crap stick! Well then.
Let's just say I flipped around and... let's see. Joint between FO2 400 fuel tank and UP13 decoupler failed due to aerodynamic stresses. Geo experiment was damaged by engine exhaust. Yeah.
And there we go! That's all I needed to do! Oh god. Things kind of didn't work right. I think I need to invest in some... what are those little engines that you stick on other engines? A separator. I need some separatrons. So this doesn't happen. Because that's some bullshit right there. That happens a lot with Ferram Aerospace. I doubt if anybody wants to wait around until I hit the ground. This would take probably 4 or 5 minutes. So let's try this again.
What are you doing? What?
Things fell
your
apart.
Thing appears that your thing inflated.
Yeah, I did that for the fun of it. Whoops. Yeah. Things happen. Alright. Somebody online showed a trick of how to properly put those on. Let me see if I can figure it out. I think it's gonna be, I need to grab hold of this. And, alright, I'm gonna make this the new root. But it's not gonna let me make this the new root. Not rootable. Not rootable. You're rootable. Oh. Not gonna let me do that, right? Let me think. Oh. It's temporary. Alright. New. Let's try this. Okay, so I'm gonna whip out a micro probe intentionally. And how heavy was that? Alright, too much. This probe. And I'm going to whip out that sub-assembly I just made and attach it. Okay. Now the purpose of this is to get the weight generally proper. I want to look at the center of mass, and I want the center of mass of this tank. And I wish to whip out my separatrons and attach them in such a manner to where it'll move the center of mass of this tank alone kind of off this direction, kind of. And then I'll put this back in as a subassembly and attach it